what you are doing, because in the next 5 minutes, I am going to show you something that every financial expert in the world is arguing about right now. And it directly affects your savings, your 401k, and your financial future. Moody's just said the odds of a U.S. recession hitting in 2026 are 49%. That is almost a coin flip. And the stock market is already bleeding. The S&P 500 is down 7% this year. Welcome to Money Story Vault, where we take the biggest financial headlines and turn them into real money strategies for your life. I am Dr. James Carter, CPA, and today we are going inside the 2026 recession story, the causes, the billionaire warnings, and 5 specific moves you can make this week to protect and even grow your money while others panic. Let us get into it. Here is what is going on in plain English. Earlier this year, the US and Israel launched military strikes against Iran. Iran retaliated by disrupting oil shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, a waterway that controls 20% of the entire world's oil supply. That caused oil prices to spike. And here's the thing about oil. It is the circulatory system of the global economy. When oil spikes, everything else gets more expensive. Businesses pay more to ship goods. Airlines pay more for fuel. You pay more at the gas pump. And when inflation rises because of oil, the Federal Reserve cannot cut interest rates the way the market needs it to. So mortgages stay expensive. Car loans stay expensive. Consumer spending drops. And when consumer spending drops, that is when recession territory begins. Goldman Sachs says there is a 30% chance of a recession. Moody says 49%. And billionaire investor Ken Griffin says if the Strait of Hormuz stays closed for 6 more months, a recession is not a risk anymore. It is a certainty. Now here is where it gets personal. If you have money in a 401k, an IRA, or even just a brokerage account, your portfolio is already down. The S&P 500 is off its highs. The Nasdaq has dropped more than 10% from its peak. That is officially a correction, and 76% of American investors are worried a full crash is coming. Nearly half say they have no plan. Here is what that means for you specifically. If a full recession hits and the market follows historical patterns, the S&P 500 could fall another 20 to 30% from here. That means a $200,000 401k could shrink to $140,000 or less. And the worst part? Most people panic and sell at the bottom, locking in those losses permanently. Do not be that person. Here is the most important thing I can tell you. And this is not a feel-good line. It is backed by 75 years of market data. Every single recession since 1950, all 11 of them, has been followed by a full market recovery and then new all-time highs. Every single one. The 2008 financial crisis wiped out 55% of the market. By 2013, it was back to record highs. COVID crashed the market 34% in 33 days. It fully recovered in 5 months. The investors who came out of those crises richer were not the ones who predicted the bottom perfectly. All right, here are 5 moves you can make this week. Move 1, do not panic sell. Repeat this. Selling during a correction locks in losses. Your long-term goal has not changed. Stay the course unless your circumstances have fundamentally changed. Move 2, check your asset allocation. If you are 100% in aggressive growth stocks and you are within 10 years of retirement, it is time to add some defensive positions, healthcare, utilities, dividend stocks, and short-term bonds. Move 3, open or increase your position in recession-resistant assets. Gold is up. Energy stocks are surging. Consumer staples hold value when markets fall. These are your inflation and recession shields. Move 4, max out your emergency fund before touching investments. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account is your first line of defense. This prevents you from being forced to sell investments at the worst time. And move 5, if you have cash on the sidelines. This is not the time to avoid the market entirely. This is the time to set up dollar-cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every month regardless of price. History shows this strategy builds enormous wealth through volatility. Here is the bottom line. A recession may be coming. The market is already shaky, but the people who come out of this richer are always the people who had a plan, stayed calm, and made smart moves while everyone else was reacting emotionally. You now have that plan. If this video helped you see the money story behind the headlines, hit that like button. It takes 1 second and helps this channel reach more people who need this information right now. Subscribe to Money Story Vault so you never miss a weekly breakdown. And drop a comment. Tell me, which of these 5 moves are you going to make first? Subscribe.